Hi, welcome to Dolar. I am Jay Prakashan. It's a dream for many to start a food service business, and there is a great opportunity as it is a basic necessity for mankind. Who can start a food service business? One, if you are capable of making a delicious food and ready to manage a business. Two, if you are a professional chef with a experience in the industry. Three, if you are an investor ready to find the right resources to build the right team and choosing the right location, suitable cuisine, right pricing are the key aspects in successfully running a food business. Thank you.